Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today in this video, I'm gonna show how to switch between light and dark mode automatically on Windows 11. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe, and now let's begin. Windows 11 doesn't have a built-in feature to automatically switch between light and dark modes based on time of day, but you can achieve this using a third-party app like Auto Dark Mode. Install Auto Dark Mode using the Microsoft Store. After the app is installed, open it. When a time tab, enable the Enable Automatic Theme Switching toggle. You can choose one of the options as per your preference. Set custom hours, specify times for light mode. From sunset to sunrise. Use location services or geographical coordinates to switch based on local sunrise or sunset times. Follow Windows Night Light, sync with the night light schedule. After configuring the theme switching, you can also enable wallpaper switching. In the Personalization tab, enable Wallpaper Switch and select different wallpapers for light and dark modes. And now, the wallpaper will be automatically switched as per the theme. So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.